Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log in into Discord on Wave. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigating to the official Discord website at https://discord.com. On the Discord homepage, locate the login button in the upper right corner and click on it. Then you will need to enter your Discord account credentials. In the first field, input either your Discord username or the email address associated with your account. And in the second field, enter your Discord password. Once you have successfully entered your credentials, you will gain access to your Discord account on the Wave. So that is how easily you can log in to Discord using Wave. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.